If you want your footage to look like a real video call, there's actually a built-in effect in DaVinci Resolve that does most of the work for you. No complicated setup, no layering needed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. Let's jump in. Start by dragging your clip onto the timeline like you normally would. Next, open the Effects library. Go into the Effects tab and find the video call effect. Once you see it, drag it directly onto your clip in the timeline. Now select your clip and head over to the Inspector panel. This is where everything happens. You'll see a section for the effect with several controls. Let's go through them one by one so you understand exactly what each one does. First, position X and position Y. These control where your video sits on the screen. If you're doing a multi-person call layout, you can use these to move each clip into different corners. For a single call, look, just keep it centered. Next is zoom. This adjusts the size of your video window. If you're stacking multiple people on screen, you'll want to reduce the zoom so everything fits nicely. Try to keep all clips the same size so it looks consistent. Now background color. This fills the space behind your video window. Most video call apps use darker tones, so sticking with a dark gray or black usually looks the most realistic. Bright colors tend to make the effect look less natural. Next is the call button. This adds that familiar call interface element. Then there's shadow strength. This one is subtle, but it matters. Increasing the shadow slightly helps your video window stand out from the background. But don't overdo it. Too much shadow makes it look artificial very quickly. A small, soft shadow usually looks the best. Now here's something to watch for. If you're using multiple clips to simulate a conversation, make sure your positioning and zoom are consistent across all clips. Even small differences can make the layout feel messy. Also pay attention to spacing. Leave a bit of room between each video window so it doesn't feel cramped. And one extra detail that really improves realism is timing. Make sure your clips are synced properly so it feels like a natural back and forth conversation. Once everything looks good, play it back and make small adjustments if needed. And that's it. You've created a clean video call effect using the built-in tools in DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more simple and practical editing tutorials.